Good morning, students. Our chapter, that is chapter number 13, exponents and power, is going on. And in the previous video we have discussed about the introduction to the exponents and the powers, and we have also studied various laws of exponents. So various laws of exponents. And what are these laws? First is a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n, that is a raised to the power m plus n. Second is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that is a raised to the power m minus n. Then next is a raised to the power 0, that is 1. Fourth is a raised to the power m whole power n, that is a raised to the power m multiply n. And the fifth law is if a raised to the power minus 1, it can be written in the form of reciprocal, that is 1 by a. So these were the laws that we discussed about the exponents and powers in the previous video. Now in this video we will start some NCERT questions. Now first, that is exercise 13.1, and that is sum first. So let's do the first part. The question is find the value of 2 raised to the power 6. Find the value of 2 raised to the power 6. Let us recall again, here 2 is the base and 6 is its exponent. So 2 raised to the power 6 means we have to multiply 2 6 times. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So we have multiplied 2 6 times. So 2 multiply 2, that is 4. 4 multiply 2, that is 8. 8 multiply 2, that is 16. 16 multiply 2, that is 32. And 32 multiply 2, that is 64. So 2 raised to the power 6 can be written as 64. Now third part, here it is 11 raised to the power 2 means we have to multiply 11 2 times. So 11 multiply 11, that is 11 square, that is 121 is the answer. Now sum second. The question is express the following in exponential form. We have to express in exponential form, and first part is 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, and we have to express in the form of exponent. Exponents means we have to express in the form of powers. For example, 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, as we can see only one base is there and the base is 6. So 6 will remain as it is. And how many times we have multiplied 6? 1 2 3 and 4. So 6 raised to the power 4. So here 6 is the base and 4 is its exponents. So we have written, or we have expressed this given sequence in the form of its exponents. Now let's see one more part, the sixth part of sum second. A multiply A multiply A multiply C multiply C multiply C multiply C multiply D. How many different bases you can see? One base is A, one base is C, and one base is D. So here A is multiplied 3 times, so it can be written as A raised to the power 3 multiply. C is another base and it is multiplied 4 times, so it is written as C raised to the power 4, and similarly D raised to the power 1 because single is there. And now multiply it, so A3 C4 D is our answer. Different bases, so you cannot multiply the bases. So, and in this the powers will not add or subtract, because when the bases are same, then only powers will be added or subtracted. So it is clear. Now sum third. We have to express in the form of exponents. We have to express a number in the form of its exponents. This type of question we have already done in the introductory part, that in which we have, I guess, expressed 256. Now we have to express 729, that is the third part of sum 3. We have to express 729 in the form of its exponents. So first of all, what we have to do, the first step is we have to take the exponents we have to take the prime factorization, means LCM, and then we have to write in the form of its exponents. So 729 is divisible by, that is 3, and that is 2, 4, 3. Now again 243 is divisible by 3, so here it is 8, 1. Now again 81 is divisible by 3, 27, again here 3, 9, again here 3, this is 3, again here 3, that is 1. So you can say 729 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have to write 729 in the form of its exponents. So means here base is the 3, and how many times it is multiplying? It is multiplying itself 6 times. So how can you write 729 in the form of its exponents? That is 3 raised to the power 6 is the answer. So in this way we can write a given number in the form of its exponential notations. Now let's see next, that is sum sixth. Sum 6 is basically the simplification. So let's do second part. 7 square multiply 2 square, then we will do sixth part, that is 5 square multiply 3 square, and then we will do eighth part, that is 3 square multiply 10 raised to the power 4. So these are the three parts that we have to simplify. Let's see the first part, 7 square multiply 2 square. So how can we write it as? 7 square can be written as 7 multiply 7. Again multiply sign is there. 2 square can be written as 2 multiply 2. So 7 multiply 7, that is 49. Multiply 2, that is 4. So 49 multiply 4, 4 9s are 36. 16 plus 3, 36, 196. So 196 is the answer, or you can say how to simplify. Now see this, 5 square multiply 3 square. How can you write 5 square? 5 square can be written as 5 multiply 5, and 3 square can be written as 3 multiply 3. 5 square means we have to multiply 5 2 times, and 3 square means we have to multiply 3 2 times. So 5 multiply 5, 25, 3 multiply 3, that is 9. So 25 multiply 9 is 225. Clear, students? Now let's do this eighth part. Eighth part is 3 square multiply 10 raised to the power 4. So 3 square can be written as 3 multiply 3, and 10 raised to the power 4 means we have to multiply 10 4 times. 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. So 3 multiply 3, here it is 9, multiply 10 multiply 10, 100 multiply 100. So here 9 multiply 10,000. So the answer will be 90,000 is the answer. So this is the question, that is to simplify. So in this exercise, the first exercise of 13th chapter, we have done the various questions. So you have to do the remaining parts of these questions. So do practice the remaining parts, and always remember the basic laws of exponents. The laws of exponents will be used in the coming exercise, that is I guess the second exercise. So always remember those laws of exponents and keep practicing the questions and the remaining parts of this. In the next video we will move further, the remaining questions we will do. So thank you, students. God bless you.